Okay, we are doing our Unit 1 study guide. We've already completed Unit 1 study guide number 1, and I had some student helpers, I believe, for that one. Number 2, let's go ahead and figure out what kind of information we have. Every Tuesday, Richard saves $5, and every Thursday, he saves $3.50 from collecting cans. How many weeks would it take to save $84? Okay, so I need to think about this. And the first thing that I want to do is instead of saying Thursday and Tuesday, Tuesday plus Thursday, that's 1 week, right? So in 1 week, he earns $5 plus $3.50, which equals $8.50. Now, this is where students can kind of make their choice about how their brain looks at these things. My brain wants to find out how many 850s are in $84. So I want to divide it up, or I want to multiply it. 84 times 2 is what? $8.50 times 2 is how much? Times 3 is how much? Times 4 is how much? But that's repeated addition. So repeated addition, I can also do. So I'm going to show you a couple of different ways. I could do the 850 plus 850. That'll be $17 in 2 weeks, plus another 850. That'll end up being $25.50 in 3 weeks. So I'm going to make sure that my brain keeps it straight. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So 4 weeks will be another 850. 0, 1, 13, 14. So in 4 weeks, he's getting $34. Okay. So I'm getting tired of this. So I'm thinking in 4 weeks, he's getting $34. So another 4 weeks, right? So 4 plus 4, that would be 8 weeks, would be another $34. I hope that makes sense. But again, this is where my brain is working. You're more than welcome to just keep adding 850 and see how many times it happens. But I'm getting $68. Okay, so $68 is still not quite there. So I'm going to test. So in a total of 8 weeks here, because I just kept adding. Repeated addition. Could you do multiplication? Yes. You could keep testing. 850 times what? 850 times what? 850 times what? That's totally fine. So I'm going to do the $68 plus 850. So this will be week 9, right? Because I have 8 weeks down here. That's the $68. 9 weeks will be $76.50. So let's see if 10 weeks will give me $84. $8.50. That is 14. Carry the 1 is 85. So it looks like in 10 weeks, he will have $85. So the question says, how long will it take him to save $84? Does he need the whole 10 weeks to get $84? Yeah. So the answer to this question would be $85 or 10 weeks. So how do you type those answers? Let me see if I can get this going. I used repeated addition and added 850 10 times to get $85, which will be more than the $84 he wants. So that is one way to do it. The other way to do it you could subtract it. So I saw some students in another class, they would, and I'm going to use a calculator this time. You guys will not be able to use a calculator on the test. Well, maybe I won't use a calculator because it's not up there. But you could take that $84 and subtract 850. Subtract 850. I personally don't like that method because I can't keep track of it. You could also do multiplication. So I showed you the addition one. You have to make your choice about the one that you want. And if you have more questions, just make sure to send me an email or talk about it in class or talk about it in Google Meet.